You get a lot for your money with this travel system, but are you giving anything up?
We're trying the Joie Ginger and Rue travel system in case you aren't able to.
Starting with what you'll love about it. One of the most amazing things about this stroller is it's one piece for the stroller seat and the bassinet. So it quickly switches from bassinet mode to stroller seat, so you can use the same piece from newborn all the way up through toddler.
Probably could have used that when he was transitioning over.
So one of the things I love about the car seat is that it's incredibly lightweight. The car seat is 8 pounds and it has nice cushioning in here, so it's super comfortable. You do need these adapters, which are included, and you just slide them right into here.
It feels like really easy to put in the car seat, but I don't love that you have to have the adapters for it. It's just one more thing that you have to bring with you. But you do have the little basket at the bottom, so you can throw it in there and not have to worry about it.
The seat is fully adjustable. There are 3 different heights you can leave it at. This is the lowest, there's a middle option, and then the top locks in just like that. So one of the things I love about this stroller is how easy it is to fold. Push these 2 little switches right here and it folds flat really easily, and you can grab it because it locks right into place. And it's pretty compact to be able to get into any kind of back seat of the car.
I like how the bottom part folds. You have like a smaller compact trunk. It helps you kind of push it in towards the back like mine.
So to unfold it, there's just one clip on the side right here. So you just unclip to clip, it kind of all just pops out really nicely and ready to go. What's really nice about this stroller is it comes with a built-in cup holder right on the side. You don't need to purchase it separately, and it stays nice and in place even when you fold it, and getting in and out of the car, it never snaps off, which is great. Storage basket actually is really nice. I fit a couple of grocery bags in here. So right now I have 2 full-size backpacks in here. I have a diaper bag and a personal backpack, and there still is a little bit more room, but then we still have that hidden compartment right here, which is perfect for putting in wallets, keys, phones, anything that you need to keep separate, which I love.
And it's like super private, right? Like, so if you throw your wallet in there, like nobody knows that your wallet's down there.
So the handlebar is also fully adjustable. You have these 2 little black clips on the side. You kind of lift it up, you can go up or down. It has a pretty decent range of motion. This is the highest place it can go, and then this would be the lowest place you can go.
The handlebar is comfortable. It feels nice when you're holding it. It's like a leathery feel.
Now it's time to take it for a spin. One of the things I love about this stroller is how it maneuvers across different terrains. It is so stable, going from like a grassy field like this to bumpy pebbles. It always feels like I'm in control, that he's safe inside here.
The larger back wheels really give it a nice stability. Also, in a situation where you have to pop the front wheels up a little bit to go onto a sidewalk, this one's really easy to do that on.
It has a really nice turning radius. It's able to kind of go quickly and pivot across turns, get into tight corners and spaces. I am used to that one-click mechanism where it's like one push down and then push again to get it to unlock. This one you do have to push down to lock and then up to unlock. So it did take a little bit of getting used to, but I didn't find it too difficult after a couple of days of use.
I felt like it was pretty standard. Only one side on the stroller. That is nice, you don't have to hit it twice.
So it has a really nice canopy that extends really nicely, gives them some nice protection from the sun, and it has this little flap that goes up and down. You can still keep an eye on him while you're out and about.
And it gives you pretty good coverage to see him.
And the canopy does feel really secure, like when it locks in place. So one of the things about this stroller is while the canopy is nice, it does not extend any further. So there is no way to unzip and extend it. The stroller reclines really easily. There's this clip here in the back right here, and if you press on it, it kind of can go lower and back. It can go all the way flat, and then it locks in the top. This is the highest spot it'll be able to lock in. And then you can also fold this piece flat as well to be able to get him like a nice, comfortable surface.
I think this is where the extended canopy would really make a difference, right? So when they're laying flat, you don't get that much coverage from here. So if there's a lot of sun in their face, you can't really pull it further.
So one of the things that the stroller has, it does have an adjustable leg rest. So as he grows, you can either lower it to give him more room to hang his feet down. And honestly, there are just some days where he wants his feet nice and dangly, and other days where he wants it supported based on his mood. So to be able to have that flexibility either way is a really nice feature. So the car seat has 2 ways that you can install it, with the base and without the base. The really nice thing about without the base, it uses the seatbelt to be able to lock it into place. This is great if you're traveling on the go, if you need to put it into a taxi, borrowing a car from a friend or family member. Really adds some more flexibility to not need to always carry around that base with you.
And have to like install and reinstall the base in every single car that you use.
And the nice thing about this car seat is it's FAA approved, which means you can also bring it with you on an airplane. This car seat has an amazing safety feature, which is the anti-rebound bar. What it does is it absorbs the impact if there is a crash to protect the baby if he's in the car seat.
It's good for peace of mind.
And finally, value and affordability. With this stroller, which is a mid-range price, you get so many features for what you pay for. I was really impressed by the way it handles, the way it goes over bumps, the amount of storage it has in the bottom, and the flexibility of being able to transfer in and out of the car.
I think this is a great stroller.
Do you have more questions about the Joie Ginger and Rue travel system?
Or is there any other baby gear that you'd like to see us try? Let us know in the comments below.
Thanks for watching Babylist Tries It, where we try baby gear in case you aren't able to.